Okay, so Paul Bates here, Bates Outdoor, and today I want to talk about the X3 RC R Maverick CanAm and what you can do to greatly improve, 3 things you can do to greatly improve your chances out in the rocks. So here you can see Mark out here, and we're just having a wonderful time. It's Danny's first time out here. He's in his RZR-S 4-seater. He just bought it. It's a beautiful car, man. He's done a lot of work to it. Just a gorgeous car. So anyway, we try and climb out here. We're over at Plan B out here at Sand Hollow, and we're out here climbing a couple of these rock faces. And I was thinking about this video. So kind of a stretch from last week when we talked about getting the car in the right mode for the RZR-R. So the first thing is, there's 3 things you can do here, and the first thing is, one of them is extreme, and it's putting water in the tires. So if you do that, that's something that can really help you and benefit you. I don't do it in my car, but the big boys, that's what they do. Number 2, I'll always talk about this. Is a big thing that I do. I talk about it in a lot of my videos, is tire pressure. 5 pounds of air pressure is what we run in the rocks. It's just, you have to lower your air pressure, because the better you get your grip on that tire and the more surface you have on the ground there, the better grip you're going to get and the less chance you have of spinning those tires. So this one, the next one, number 3, something I figured out on my own, and this is one I really want you to leave the comments on. I want to see what you guys do and what you guys think about this. But it is absolutely 100% super easy to do. Just hit that echo button. Just push that echo button in your car, get it out of sport mode and put it in echo mode. Huge difference, man. I couldn't believe the difference out there crawling on rocks. Made a big difference for me. I don't know if it does the same for you, so make sure you leave a comment down there. Anyway, Paul Bates here. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, and we appreciate it. And we'll see you guys out on the trail soon. Paul Bates, thanks.